Welcome to Best Promising Institute of Maharashtra, Sanmati Engineering College.
Sanmati Engineering College has dedication, devotion to make revolutionary development in socio-economic field of rural, tribal and backward region by educating students professionally and technically to face social challenges by providing them international quality education at an affordable cost. Our dedicated internal quality assurance cell ensures development of quality system towards improving the academic and administrative performance of the college. Our curriculum reflects the industry requirements and taught by well-trained and highly qualified faculty to enable our students to complete the modern job market. We are further making education accessible by opening doors to needy students through institute-level scholarships that enables the underprivileged students to get higher education. Our training and placement department provides a window of opportunity to the students over the wide variety of careers in the broad spectrum of industries, organizations in India and abroad. Keeping in mind the need of trained manpower for the industry, the institute has taken initiative to sign up MOUs with different reputed organizations. It serves as a single point of contact for the organizations on various industry institute initiatives like industrial visits, trainings and internships and etc. The institute not only focused on the academic development of the student but also concentrate on the holistic development with the help of different curricular and extracurricular activities. As it is well known that healthy mind is always associated with the healthy body, so the institute provides the suitable platform for the students to channelize the energies with the help of different indoor and outdoor sports activities. We are focused on promoting the sense of social responsibilities in students by involving them in various social activities. This helps in creating awareness about the latest and important social issues in an individual and gives them the broader perspective of understanding the causes and possible solutions related to various social issues.
With this brief information and with the great pleasure, I invite all the students to come and join with us in the educationally best environment platform available for the students to prepare themselves to achieve their future goal with the help of this glorious path of learning by experience which will surely lead them to the prosperous future life.